traveling 50 million miles at an average speed of 18,000 miles an hour. Just think what that would cost at today's gas prices. In his travels, Dr. Linenger faced a number of life-threatening circumstances, including the repeated failure of life support systems, a near collision with an incoming spacecraft, computer failures that sent the station tumbling uncontrollably through space, and what has been called the worst fire ever aboard an orbiting spacecraft. So fighting I-75 traffic to get out here today sounds so bad after all. Dr. Linenger holds a doctorate in epidemiology and master's degrees in health policy and systems management. He also has 3 honorary degrees, one from Wayne State, I'm happy to say. He's the author of 2 books and a founding board member of the global freshwater think tank, Circle of Blue. And he's frequently an analyst on national TV news programs and documentaries. This is one Detroiter who has made his city and his university very, very warrior proud. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a person who takes our call to action aim higher, literally. Wayne State alumnus, Dr. Jerry Linenger.